So main channel Matt asked me to put together a list of faceless channel ideas, and I told him, Matt, there are already 1,000 lists out there. And he said, yeah, but they all suck. They tell people to make meditation channels with 10 views per video. So here we are. I'm giving you 25 faceless channel ideas that actually work in 2025 with real talk about what it takes to succeed with each one. No fluff. Let's go. Hey, it's Stickman Matt, and today I'm breaking down 25 faceless YouTube channel ideas that you can actually start and grow right now. But here's the twist. I'm not just listing random niches. I'm telling you which ones are oversaturated, which ones are untapped, and which ones require the least amount of work to get monetized. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which niche fits your skills and how to stand out in it. So let's dive in. All right, idea number 1, AI tool reviews and tutorials. This is my bread and butter. Obviously, the demand is insane right now because new AI tools are dropping every single week. You don't need to show your face, just screen recordings with good narration. The competition exists, but here's the thing. Most AI review channels are boring and corporate. If you add personality and actually test the tools instead of just reading the website, you'll stand out. Use tools like VidAI to script your videos faster, and you're golden. Monetization potential, high. Ad revenue, affiliate commissions, sponsorships. This niche prints money if you do it right. Idea number 2, true crime storytelling. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't true crime oversaturated? Yes and no. The big channels dominate, but there's always room for fresh storytelling styles. Use stock footage, crime scene photos, maps, and a compelling narration. The key is picking lesser known cases or adding a unique angle. Maybe you focus on unsolved mysteries or wrongful convictions. The audience is huge and the watch time is incredible because people binge true crime content. Monetization is solid through ads, but be careful with demonetization. Stick to factual reporting, avoid graphic content, and you'll be fine. Idea number 3, meditation and sleep content. Okay, hear me out. Matt wasn't totally wrong about this niche being crowded, but it still works if you do it differently. Instead of generic rain sounds, niche down. Create sleep stories for specific audiences, sleep stories for anxiety, sleep stories for insomnia, sleep stories for entrepreneurs who can't shut their brains off. Use calming visuals, AI-generated voiceovers, and you can pump out content fast. The watch time is insane because people literally fall asleep to your videos. Monetization is decent through ads, and you can sell premium content or courses on the side. Idea number 4, finance and investing education. This niche is massive and evergreen. People always want to learn about money. You can cover stock market basics, crypto, budgeting, side hustles, all without showing your face. Use charts, graphs, stock footage, and a clear voiceover. The challenge here is building trust. You need to sound knowledgeable and back up your advice with data. But once you establish authority, this niche can be extremely profitable. Ad revenue is high because finance advertisers pay big money. Plus, affiliate opportunities with investing apps and financial services are everywhere. Idea number 5, tech explainers. Think channels that break down complex technology in simple terms. How does blockchain work? What is quantum computing? Why is 5G a big deal? You can use animations, diagrams, and stock footage. The audience is curious and engaged, and the watch time is solid. The key is making complicated topics accessible without dumbing them down. If you can nail that balance, this niche has huge potential. Monetization is strong through ads and sponsorships from tech companies. Idea number 6, list channels. Top 10 haunted places, top 15 unsolved mysteries, top 20 fastest cars. Lists are addictive because they're structured and easy to follow. The format is simple. Countdown, narration, stock footage, or images for each item. The downside, this niche is incredibly competitive. But if you pick a specific sub-niche and create high-quality content, you can carve out space. Monetization is decent through ads, but you'll need volume. These videos tend to get moderate views, so you need to upload consistently. Idea number 7, history documentaries. People love learning about history, and faceless history channels do really well. Cover specific events, historical figures, or time periods. Use historical photos, maps, reenactment footage, and a strong narrative. The key is storytelling. Don't just list facts. Tell a compelling story that keeps people hooked. Monetization is solid through ads, and the content is evergreen. A video about World War II or ancient Rome will get views for years. Idea number 8, space and astronomy content. The universe is fascinating, and there's a huge audience for space content. Cover topics like black holes, exoplanets, space missions, and theories about alien life. Use NASA footage, animations, and diagrams. The visuals are stunning, and the topics are endlessly interesting. Monetization is strong through ads, and you can partner with science-related brands for sponsorships. Idea number 9, self-improvement and productivity. This niche is huge and growing. People want to optimize their lives, and they're willing to watch hours of content to learn how. Cover topics like time management, habit building, goal setting, and mental clarity. Use stock footage of people working, minimalist visuals, and a motivating voiceover. The key is authenticity. Don't just regurgitate generic advice. Share frameworks and strategies that actually work. Monetization is strong through ads, affiliate links to productivity tools, and digital products like planners or courses. Idea number 10. Gaming content without gameplay. Wait, what? Yeah, you can make gaming content without recording gameplay. Think top 10 gaming lists, gaming news, theories about game lore, or breakdowns of game mechanics. Use trailers, screenshots, and gameplay footage from other creators with permission or under fair use. This niche is massive, and the audience is incredibly engaged. Monetization is decent through ads, but be careful with copyright strikes. Always use footage legally. Idea number 11. Luxury lifestyle content. Showcase expensive cars, mansions, yachts, private jets, all with stock footage and voiceover. This niche taps in to people's aspirations and curiosity. You're not showing off your own lifestyle. You're curating content about the lifestyles of the ultra-rich. Monetization is solid through ads, and you can attract high-end sponsors if your channel grows big enough. Idea number 12. Scary stories and creepypastas. This niche has a dedicated fan base. Narrate horror stories with eerie background music and dark, atmospheric visuals. The audience loves this content late at night, which means long watch times. You can source stories from Reddit, write your own, or adapt public domain horror tales. Monetization is decent through ads, and you can build a Patreon for exclusive stories. Idea number 13. Recipe and cooking tutorials. Faceless cooking channels are blowing up, especially short-form content. Film your hands preparing food with simple overhead shots, no face required. Add text overlays for ingredients and steps. This niche works great for shorts, which can drive traffic to your long-form recipe videos. Monetization is strong through ads, affiliate links to kitchen tools, and sponsored content from food brands. Idea number 14. Travel guides and destination content. You don't need to travel the world to make travel content. Use stock footage and create ultimate travel guides for different cities or countries. Cover things to do, places to eat, hidden gems, and travel tips. The audience is people planning trips, and they'll watch these videos multiple times. Monetization is solid through ads and affiliate links to booking sites like Airbnb or Skyscanner. Idea number 15. Book summaries and reviews. People want to learn from books but don't have time to read them all. Summarize popular books in 10 to 15 minutes. Cover self-help, business, psychology, and fiction. Use book cover images, key quotes, and simple visuals. The challenge is avoiding copyright issues. Stick to summaries and analysis, not verbatim readings. Monetization is decent through ads and affiliate links to Amazon. Idea number 16. Minimalism and decluttering. This niche is growing as people embrace simpler lifestyles. Create content about minimalist living, decluttering tips, and intentional consumption. Use clean, minimalist visuals and a calming voiceover. Monetization is solid through ads and affiliate links to organization products. You can also create digital guides or courses on minimalism. Idea number 17. Relationship advice and psychology. People are obsessed with understanding relationships. Cover topics like attachment styles, red flags, communication skills, and dating advice. Use stock footage of couples and a thoughtful voiceover. The key is being insightful without being preachy. Monetization is strong through ads, and you can offer coaching or digital products like relationship workbooks. Idea number 18. Pet care and animal content. Animals always perform well on YouTube. Create content about pet care tips, training guides, or fun animal facts. Use stock footage of cute animals and a friendly voiceover. This niche has a massive engaged audience. Monetization is solid through ads and affiliate links to pet products. Idea number 19. Motivational and inspirational content. Compile motivational speeches, quotes, and success stories. Use powerful visuals and music. This content gets shared a lot, which boosts reach. The downside is it can feel generic, so add your own unique spin. Maybe focus on motivation for specific groups like entrepreneurs, students, or athletes. Monetization is decent through ads, and you can sell motivational products or courses. Idea number 20. Oddly satisfying content. This niche is pure entertainment. Satisfying visuals like kinetic sand, slime, power washing, or perfectly cut objects. The content is easy to create or compile, and it's incredibly addictive. Monetization is solid through ads, and these videos can go viral on Shorts or TikTok, driving traffic to your main channel. Idea number 21. Health and wellness. Cover topics like nutrition, fitness, mental health, and holistic wellness. Use stock footage of healthy foods, people exercising, and calming nature scenes. The key is providing accurate, research-backed information. Monetization is strong through ads, affiliate links to supplements or fitness gear, and digital products like meal plans or workout guides. Idea number 22, paranormal and supernatural content. Explore ghost stories, UFO sightings, cryptids, and conspiracy theories. Use eerie music, dark visuals, and a mysterious voiceover. This niche has a passionate audience that loves binge watching. Monetization is decent through ads, and you can build a Patreon for bonus content. Idea number 23, software tutorials. Teach people how to use popular software like Photoshop, Excel, Premiere Pro, or Notion. Screen recordings with the voiceover are all you need. The audience is huge because people are always looking to learn new skills. Monetization is strong through ads, affiliate links to software, and sponsored content from software companies. Idea number 24, news commentary and analysis. Cover current events, politics, or cultural trends with a unique perspective. Use news clips, headlines, and graphics. The key is adding analysis, not just repeating the news. This niche can grow fast if you're consistent and timely. Monetization is solid through ads, but be careful with controversial topics that could lead to demonetization. Idea number 25, AI-generated content experiments. This is meta, but hear me out. Create content about creating content with AI, test AI video generators, scriptwriters, thumbnail makers, and document the process. This is what I do with Stickman Matt, and the audience is growing because people are curious about AI tools. Monetization is strong through ads, affiliate links to AI tools, and sponsorships. Plus, tools like VidAI make it easy to scale this type of content. And then, alright, that's 25 faceless channel ideas with real talk about what works and what doesn't, but here's the key takeaway. The niche doesn't matter as much as execution. You can make a boring niche exciting with great storytelling, or you can make an exciting niche boring with lazy content. Pick something you're genuinely interested in, or at least something you can tolerate making videos about for the next year. Because consistency is what separates successful channels from abandoned ones. And if you're wondering which tools can help you create content faster, VidAI is a lifesaver for scripting, research, and ideation. It's not about replacing your creativity, it's about amplifying it so you can focus on making more videos instead of staring at a blank page. Now, if you want to discover how I run faceless channels like this and make them into a full business, check out this video next to me, which is a full free course for doing it. I go over the new way of running faceless channels right now on YouTube. See you there. And before you go, drop a comment and let me know which of these 25 ideas you're most excited about. Or tell me if I missed a niche that's crushing it right now. I'm reading every reply, and your idea might make it into the next video. Alright, Stickman Matt out. Pick your niche, start creating, and I'll see you in the next one.